day in trouble. Anyway you pass, people go to cry. So because you be prince, you the post now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. I every day wahala. If you don't slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which can prince be this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you tell not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye mechi, emanechi dimeo. To make you cool it down. Make you cool it. Nobody knows.
Amanda entered the palace without notifying me. That's the number she messaged me with. What is this? What is going on? It's not going.
Oh, my prince. You will hardly come to our quarters here. Are you looking for someone something?
No, yes, is there someone in your room?
My prince. How can someone be in the room of the chief maiden?
Papa?
Ah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, you're back?
Yes, Papa.
No.
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 When you drop the firewood, drink water for me to drink.
Nah, I hope you took your food.
Oh, yes.
Because I left it on the table before going to the farm.
I did. You can be very caring. God, all is well. Just look at my beautiful daughter. Very hardworking. But I cannot help her. Fire. That's what fire caused. If not for the fire that gutted my shop, at least I would have trained my daughter. Now she cannot speak any good English. My parents trained us. And all the people I helped in the community, they deserted me. I know that God in heaven will answer my prayer. God in heaven will answer my prayer. One day, I'll make it.
Oma!
Yeah. Who won't chop yam?
Me and you and your father.
Mama, this thing don't too much. Oh, yam every day. You know good now. Every time you go say chop yam, I do water leaf. Say they give blood. Person go die for yam. Every time we dey chop yam, Mama don't tire. Not be after I go farm work finish. Every day you go they give me yam.
So what do you want to eat now? What do you want us to cook now so that you can eat? What is it? Tell me.
I want akpo no phone. Akpo no phone.
Akpo and what?
Phone.
Did you prepare akpo in this house before you went to farm, or when you came back from farm, you have prepared akpo? Oma.
Mama, I know they like this thing when you do now. I know they like them. Maybe we change pattern of food. Every day, morning, yam, afternoon, yam, night, yam. You don't too much.
Plus vegetable. That will give you more blood. And you are saying it's too much.
I don't want blood again. My blood is not too much for my body. I don't want blood. I don't feel chop yam again.
Oma.
Mama.
Go and get that yam now and put it on fire.
Mama, you don't want to cook my apple no phone.
Which one no phone? Which your phone? Oma, we don't have akpu in this house. We're just coming back from the farm. And you want to eat akpu and no phone? No akpu, no phone. Go and get yam and put it on fire. You know?
Mama, you don't want to cook my apple no phone.
Which akpu and no phone?
No problem. If you don't want to cook them, or you cook the yam, chop them alone. I know they chop. Give me.
Oma! You want to eat akpu and no phone? I don't fear. Go and bring it from space. Don't worry, I will put the yam on fire and eat our own and reserve your own for you. Whether you like it or not, you will eat yam. No fear. Don't want to eat yam. Go find an apple. When did you do cassava?
What's the first like this?
Maybe my mama every day she go to give me and make her the chop for house. I don't tire for here.
Yeah, come and wash and let's eat. I even forgot to call you to come and eat it to me.
Oh, call me now, make her come chop. You can't hunger with the
wine
for
you. Call you.
I
eat.
Obim, you get it one in.
Loi.
Who are you? It's sweet, oh. Who prepared the food?
My cousin, Adize. Hey, but I taught her to.
Talking, what do you know how to do? Sabi food.
I'm a very good cook now. It's.
This food is very nice.
So you're hungry. Eat first now before meat now. You like meat too much. That's why your bum is getting bigger by the day.
Don't you like it?
All the meat you've been eating is going there.
You don't like it?
Eat. We have more inside. If this one is finished, I'll tell her to bring more.
Okay, boom.
So, you be eating the meat, me I'll be eating bone.
I love you. This is so man. This is so.
It's life. Papa God, I don't say you dey sleep. You dey see me and you know what you go play. You know say I go make up for this life. My money go long. I don't feel we can just get this guy house, buy cars, just deal with my Lamborghini. Me and my girl go just dey our jacuzzi. Just be, hey, go. Life is sweet, I beg. Bless me. I don't feel it. Oh, you are bless me. Make everywhere song. What do you do?
Agamus, did you hear the prince call you?
I know you say the prince call me, but I hear my name. Something like my name they ring for my ear, but I no fit answer like that. I don't want to lose guard based on security reasons.
You heard something like your name ring for your ear?
Yes, you ring for my ear, but I don't fit answer because I don't fit answer like that.
I believe you know the prince. You better get ready for the consequences.
Which consequences? You know the hear what I as I say maybe they just use my name to play. Everybody for the compound use my name to play normally. I got this, I got that. So everybody will come in now and just answer. What of that will really come fast? But I just did take careful. What did they happen?
I'm leaving. Next time you better put your ear on ground. Just know that you're in soup.
God will be soup. Which kind of soup? Now you see soup in our face. Salad. This soup is pork. Bam soup.
Like you're talking here.
Come. That's how you soup. Vegetable soup. Everywhere got to solve. Shut me. Go, hit my leg. Shut my leg.
Agamus! 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 Agamus!
Didn't you hear me calling you?
No, I been no here. I didn't say I go shit. You understand? So I just dey come outside now.
How does that answer my question?
No, my prince, I know if you say I dey lie, if you can't smell the shit, the room see the I be just go shit. If you go inside.
Did you hear me call you or not?
If you say I dey lie, if you go check, you know say I flush toilet, so you make shh. There's no way.
How does that answer my question? Answer me!
I know I hear you. I mean sorry, I know hear you.
Did you hear me call you or not? Did you hear me call you or not? Are you mad? Idiot. Next time, show no disrespect.
Now which can principle this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself.
Come on, open that gate.
Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye mechi, emanechi dime. To make you cool it down. Make it cool it. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because you be prince, you the boss now. Some people not king for their end. With your car, you the flex now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you don't slap, you go punch you. Every day palava. Now which can prince be this you? My brother, quiet yourself.
Slap it like that.
Quiet yourself. The level where you stand up.
No, you know, be say person everywhere over soft. Huh? We can see finish be all these ones. Person we just the 4 person hand. I say person don't just get sense.
kind of problem it is? Eh? No, I don't suffer now. Ha! See finish. To see everywhere really soft like that, I go to pass through all this kind of thing where I pass through. My own fellow.
Why are you lamenting? What happened?
Everything happened, my queen. Everything happened. I know they happy. If to see everywhere soft, all this see finish for no they happen. Imagine me, my fellow man. When me and you suppose they run things, they go out, if to say no be say conditions, suppose even they dress the same way. Slap me. Just like that.
Who slapped you?
Now your son now. Eh? Waiting go make him just slap me like that. It no good. I mean because I come from poor background. It no fair now. It no fair. Check him. If to say everywhere really soft, you go slap me. You no go slap me now, but he slap me. Wait. Why? Why you go slap me?
Are you saying because your face is soft, that's why he slapped you?
No, madam. Normally I have a soft face, like I soft. But I just say if to say everywhere really soft for me, you no go slap me. You understand? Because I'm a full grown man. You understand? But you just slap me. Why you go slap me?
I know, Akabos. I'm really sorry about
It's okay. No, you don't be what you go worry about. Okay.
I need to worry about it. I'll handle this, please. I'm so sorry about it. I'll deal with it.
No worry, madam. Don't worry. And just because everywhere never really soft. Because if it's soft, you no go slap me. Why you go slap me? But you slap me. It's okay. So I see finish.
Oh, my sweetie. What trouble do you have? Because I've never seen you in this mood before.
Henceforth, it shall be worse. What does the prince think he's up to? I would not tolerate such excesses at all. He needs to change.
What has Dose done this time?
Oh, you should see the way Akabus is wailing and crying. The prince gave him a dirty slap.
What has come over this boy?
Now I can't even send Akabus to the market to buy things for me.
Then send Nebechi. You have a cook. Why always take away the one that opens a compound gate? All in the name of you want him to go to market for you? That he has never stolen from you. Nebechi?
Your Highness, we have a lot of guards in this compound. They can always open the gate once they hear the car horn.
Your Highness, you called me.
Oh yes. I want you to...
Please, Nebechi, can you go back to your duties?
Okay, Your Majesty.
What's the meaning of this?
I will go to the market myself.
You are the queen of this kingdom, for Christ's sake. Stop acting like a commoner.
Your Highness, I would rather perform my duties as a housewife.
Of my little
Hey, how you dey? I dey fine o. Where you from dey go? I dey go farm, my brother. I don't have to dey stay house. When he get things wey we get for farm, we get water leaf, we get ugu, we get so many leaf wey I go carry go dey sell for market. At least they help myself, they help my family. And you wey be my boyfriend, if you get problem for your shop, I fit borrow you money. You go give me.
Oh, Jesus. Can you imagine? Good woman.
You like am?
Yes. When you see a good woman, from the words from her mouth, you definitely know. Is there anything on earth that will make me not marry you?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? See, for you to have this idea alone, oh, Makachooks, I will do everything possible to support your business.
You go support
and make you the biggest businesswoman in this village.
Ah,
Choo-choo.
Don't do. You don't know say my papa dey for house.
Papa dey house?
Your papa dey.
That's not Mogo, that's Mogo.
No, your bicycle don't spoil finish. May you not go carry me to away for ground.
This is our car.
You know they use this thing for since
Sit down, let me carry you.
You know one change them. I don't want to fall down, I beg. You know I heavy. Are they heavy?
Sit down now.
Hey, you know say I get weight. Hey. Chekwalo. Chekwalo.
Oh my waist.
I owe you. Obimo. Woohoo!
Baby. What is this? You're not dressed yet? I thought I told you we're going out.
Baby, it has not been long you called. I only came out to let you know that I'm still dressing up. If I don't come out now, you start complaining that I'm wasting time. Just to avoid troubles.
I do not like this at all. Especially now you're trying to pacify me.
Baby, you would have notified me yesterday. By now, I would have been ready. Besides, if my parents find out you are here, they won't take it lightly with you. They won't know that we are dating. Courtesy demands that you come in and at least greet them. I don't know why you like treating me like a call girl.
You know what? I'm done with you today.
No.
You can go.
No, baby.
I wanna know, where do I go wrong? Lay it on your bed. Tell me, what is my offense? Do it on your bed. Hey, where is the lover of my life? Hey, where is the love that you
Your Highness.
Where are you going to?
Your Highness, to the market. My maidens and guards are already waiting. That's what we agreed on. That I should perform my duties as a wife.
You are not an ordinary housewife. You are the queen of this kingdom. Hope you know.
No, God. But like I said, the maidens and the guards, they're waiting. Okay, you tell me. Is there anything in the tradition that says a queen can't go to the market?
No. But we have servants. Anyway, do whatever that pleases you, but make sure you go with your maids and a guard.
They're already waiting for you. That's all. If you'll excuse me.
Don't forget about my present status. Being a person is my future pride. You understand me? Any kind of money I can make, I'll be your bills out of shit. This is not surgery the way, man. Me not they look me like that. Now me be the GM of. Never.
Missed my step. Easy.
So you'll be fine, huh? You see, this is exactly what I was talking about. You stress yourself so much, and it's not good for you.
Your Highness, it could have happened at any hour, please.
Sorry.
You should have slapped the prince. Not just a slap, but he also gave me a knock. This hurts in my spirits.
You go pass like that. You go pass saying I mean they discuss. You no pass like that. I dey back here they sneeze. I don't see now don't they call my name. Oh, you tell me now what you play.
I have never seen a man that talks like a parrot until I came into this palace.
I wonder.
But it's good. At least you don't see. What again you want to talk? Say they slap Agabus. You get any other thing when I want gossip.
Agabus, if they talk about you, what will you do? Agabus, you are a weakling. You are a weakling. It's not that the prince used to slap blue and black. Even today they slapped you blue and black. Did you do anything? Did you do anything? After you say level never fear, the level fear for the prince. Agabus, you don't have any level. No level for you.
I agree with you. Agabus don't even get level. As I did, I don't get level. But my joy why I get inside of me now be say all of us where we dey here now, all of us no get level. Because if you say we get level, I for no they do security for no be guard. After all your mates they work for big places. No be by trade.
Can you imagine?
You don't understand what I tell you now. So all of us not fool. But what I even ask you?
I not be fool.
Huh?
I'm not a fool.
I know say you don't be fool, but you won't be saying you package your food. You dey use swag do food, but you don't know say you no get sense. You see how many years you person near you. See, make I tell you what you know.
Agabus, I will behead you. Agabus, you see, if you play with me, I will behead you. Nobody will ask me why in this palace.
I better make I ask you. Go 5th day on this house. What is this way? Now me get level power, I don't know. They slap me. Who slap me? They slap you. I am proud. They slap me. Easy to collect royal slap. Make I tell you, no they laugh. You now, I stay here now. Here you they stay. Back house, the house.
Agabus, you're insulting us.
Make I will tell you. This thing when you do, more bet, I will pay you back. You.
Agabus, you're insulting me.
No,
Agabus, I will behead you.
No, I'm not going to insult you.
Are you happy they gave you a royal slap? Ordinary security.
Imagine your life, women.
You carry women come back here and begin to follow them, they talk.
Agabus,
if you want chop in my body, you want to package them.
Agabus, you think I'm the prince that just knock you? I will behead you, Agabus. Nobody will ask me.
I go show you.
Agabus, you don't have level.
I go show you.
You don't have level, Agabus.
No worry.
Agabus, in this palace, you don't have level.
No worry. You know where they say, I should not back of the house, me in front of the house. Very soon I go there.
Agabus, you don't
everywhere
have
soft,
levels.
No wala, they go now. They don't call me.
Agabus, you don't have levels.
See, they don't call
me.
You
don't have levels.
They don't call me.
Agabus, you don't have any levels.
I go show you, no worry. Your Majesty.
Yeah, where are the maids?
The prince sent them on an errand, Your Majesty.
Sent them on an errand? All of them?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Is Agabus at the gate?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Please call him for me.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Agabus.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I need to send you to the market. I want you to help me buy ogili. I am sick and tired of eating all this chemical seasonings. Are you okay?
Mama, I think fine. So my face be.
Okay. Just buy enough, alright? Tell someone else to man the gate while you're gone.
It's as if the prince is back.
I better go back to my duty post because I don't want to receive a slap this morning.
Now opening the gate is another issue, it's another problem for me.
You better go and open the gate for him since the queen has called Agabus and leave him.
Some child the flesh now. Some people get them plenty for their end. Every day wahala. If you no slap you go punch you. Every day palapa. Now which can prince be this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you then not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Oh, quiet yourself. Oh. The life where you dey live not be by power. Oh, quiet yourself. Oh. See the level where you get today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself. Oh, quiet yourself. Oh. Who knows tomorrow? Nobody knows tomorrow.
Agabus! Agabus!
My prince.
Agabus. Didn't you hear me horning?
Prince, I know hear you. No, I know hear you. Yeah. I know verse. No, hey, my prince, I beg. The slap where you give me today, I never even recover them. My jaw nearly shift. No vex.
That's still not answer my question.
Your mama, the queen, she called me. Say make I go buy something. I just say make I even rush, enter, tie the change cloth. Now I go, now you take come so. But based on who you be, I know see you no feel live here without slapping. Prince, I beg give me. Make I just die. No, you be idiot. No, I they talk to you because now this high service now they do for this palace, so I know they like.
Agabus, you no fear.
Come on, shut up. Prince, they ask Agabus. You don't tell her say the queen send a message or the queen call her. You let the guy they shout. Eh? But this is where the prince no slap anybody. I mean, he won't carry a mover.
Agabus, how dare you? Agabus, how dare you insult me? How dare you?
I know insult you. I know insult you. I'm not going to insult you.
So these days, if I hit you, you go and report me to my mother. What did I want you?
No.
What did I want you, Agabus?
Wait, make I explain. Now who their life go fear?
Do you want to die?
My brother, no one die. If you kill me now, my ghost no fit tell you what's happening.
Well, begin to talk.
Okay, make a shit.
Start talking.
Might give you space. My prince, remember that time when you slapped me? Yeah, as you slapped me, I just did lament. Only me just did they talk to myself. Say I appreciate what you they do.
Good,
you understand?
Good.
Now your mama come. Say what make me they talk to myself? I be at the mad. I say no, I know the mad. They say the prince slapped me happily. You understand? Now what happen be that? I don't report you. See my people where they insult you, we know them. I didn't tell you now. Even when I tell these people say you slap me, see what they talk. Say why you go slap me? Say why I not slap you back?
What?
Yes, Alfred talk am. Amaka they there. Sarah, they, all of them they there.
Agabus, they are dead.
They say I supposed to give you flying nod. Say me and you na age mate.
Agabus, they are dead.
I tell you. So my prince, don't reason like that.
They are dead, Agabus.
Yes. I have a dream and say
you enjoy my knock?
No, my prince.
You enjoy my conch?
I beg. If you come me, I know if you go this message. I just gonna beg you. I beg.
Agabus, they are dead.
I beg, my prince.
See how I killed these people.
Yes, because they disrespect you.
Oh my God.
Don't you not be saying what I not do their calls and stay me. Why would I insult you? You slap me, I'm happy. It's a privilege.
Are you sure you're happy?
Yes.
Are you sure you're happy?
Yes.
Then they are dead.
Yes.
Agabus!
My prince, I said I know.
Agabus!
My prince.
Agabus!
My prince. They are finished. It's okay. My prince, they talk plenty things. Now me no just won't tell you.
Ada, Oma, how you dey? I'm fine.
Where you dey go? Where you from dey come?
I went to the church to see the pastor.
You go see pastor? Hope say no problem.
No, there is no problem. It's a private thing. I'll tell you later.
Yeah. How Obi now?
Obi is fine. No, he's fine.
I'm going to the market. Kanjele Fenda.
Okay.
If I'm coming back, I will buy you agidi jollof. Agidi jollof. Icholo nke won ko nke won me.
Ofuma.
Nka na me.
Nke won lo me.
You want to go?
Nke baba keti.
Nke baba keti.
Bye. Je goma.
Nine. What is it? You have been frowning your face.
Why wouldn't I frown my face? No, tell me, why wouldn't I frown my face? Huh? If only I was able to give our daughter better life like other children. Just look at her. Beautiful, vibrant, hardworking. Huh? If only she had gotten some degree of education, it wouldn't hurt me the way it does right now. Each time I remember how she dropped out of elementary school, I weep. I mean, when she speaks, especially in public, it's like the ground just opened for me to enter. All because of money. Lack of money.
Nine. Age is never a barrier to a man's education. Most especially when there is money to cater for it. Any man who wants to marry her can as well send her to school. I mean, adult education. And Obi is equal to the task.
Bechonu, which Obi are you talking about? If you sell everything in Obi's shop, including himself, the money will not be enough for us to pay our daughter's education. We're talking of Obi.
Now you have started. Remove the dirt in your eyes before you begin to think of somebody else. Yes, that boy is the source of our daughter's happiness. Okay?
Look at my eyes. You won't see any dirt. What I'm telling you is a simple fact. Money. If I have money, my daughter, look at her, very beautiful girl.
Afoma! Sarah! Come here.
Afoma. Sarah, were both of you there when Alfred was insulting Agabus over me slapping him?
Yes, my prince.
What did Alfred call him?
He called him a weakling.
Why? Why?
Because you slapped him.
Meaning?
My prince, we don't know.
Oh, meaning he should have retaliated.
That was not what he meant, I think.
Oh, both of you. You are... Okay. So Agabus was right. Come here.
My prince.
Come here.
Chi.
I said come here now. Come here and bring your head. Come here and bring your head. 1.
Fresh, very fresh.
Your fresh pepper, your fresh tomatoes. Very
My sister.
fresh.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I dey fine, no.
I beg no vex. I won't ask you for something. I beg this table where they here now who get them? Now you get them.
Although the table na my neighbor own, but still make I help and look after the table.
I beg. I won't beg. Make you for just help me. Make I just dey there sell this my water leaf. You know go take time. You go finish. I go. I beg. I no go waste time there. This before you know that I go finish.
Make I just help you.
God go bless you. God go bless you. Thank you so much.
Very fresh, very fresh.
My prince, I didn't say anything. I didn't say I won't know. My prince, I don't know. I didn't say anything. You think I didn't know you said anything? You said something like that against me. But you said something like that. You thought Agabus would not tell me. I didn't say anything. He's not going to kill you. He wants to kill you. You want me to kill you? You want me to kill you? Excuse me. Excuse me. Kill you. I didn't mean that with my prince. But you said something like that. But you said something like that. No. I'm begging my prince. You said something like that.
Stop. Josie.
I didn't say
Your Highness! Your Highness!
It's lying against me, my priest. It's lying against me. It's lying against me, my priest. It's lying against me. I will not stop. I didn't say it. Okay, fight me back. I don't fight. He was fight me back. I didn't say anything. I can't put this line against me. I can't put this line. I can't put this line against me.
Chidozie, look at us, your parents. We're peaceful people. Where did you pick this unsaintly behavior from? It's totally not acceptable.
Now listen. Let me warn you. If you continue with this your recalcitrant and impulsive behavior in this palace, you have me to contend with.
Father, there is no meaning to what both of you are saying. As far as these big heads are still here.
Everyone, go back to your posts.
Every day wahala. If you not slap, you could punch you. Every day palava. Now which can principle with this you? My brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The level where you dare not be by power. Quiet yourself. Say my brother, quiet yourself. Quiet yourself. The life where you dare live not be by power. Quiet yourself. See the level where you're there today. It is nothing to some people out there. So make you quiet yourself.
Give it to me. Kneel down. I said kneel down.
To make you cool down. Make you cool. Nobody knows tomorrow. So because
Chidozie, let me remind you that you are the crown prince of Igbo Kingdom. It has never been recorded in history that tyranny prevailed in our lineage. The way you are going about your life, let me warn you. If you do not stop, you risk the chance of ascending the throne of Umuopu Kingdom when the opportunity presents itself. You are my only son, you know it.
Let me presume we all know the cause.
The cause?
Yes. Just do your part, and I will adhere to your advice.
Yes. There you go again.
Yes.
What could that be?
Okay, mother, let me let the cat out of the bag. Father knows exactly what I'm talking about. We've talked about it over and over and over again, but he's been adamant. I told him to send me abroad, just like he did to my sister. No, he refused.
But you know.
Know what? Know what?
That as the heir apparent to the throne of Umuopu Kingdom, you are supposed to be knowledgeable deeply in our customs and traditions.
You only made me a local champion. And what you're seeing now is the product of what you want. Okay, now tell me. Just tell me. What have I learned about our tradition? Nothing. Nothing. So I'm telling you that I will remain a tout till you do the needful. Are you sure he's not for us?
Hey, what do you want back?
Give me 2 gala with 1 mineral.
say you want to me double. You want dark bomb me?
No.
You want dark bomb me?
Your mother will do battle.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Voilà.
Hey, brother.
Adezi.
Brother.
How are you?
I'm fine, no. How is market?
Yeah, we're doing it. Selling small.
Okay, I hope there are customers.
Yeah, they will soon come.
Hey, thank God, thank God. Hey, brother, I saw Oma going to the market, and I wished her to sell all her vegetables. Hey, and brother, I've washed all those your clothes too. All those your dirty clothes you asked me to wash. I've washed all of them.
Are you serious?
I'm serious now.
Even without my pants.
Yes. What am I doing that?
Give me
fire. So I decided.
My fine sister, you see, that is why I like you. Anytime I send you a message, do it fast. Don't worry. One day, your brother will be so rich. Guess what? God will give me plenty money and I'll buy you human hair.
Human hair?
Human hair. You wear it and you'll be skelew for the small. But that doesn't mean you now backslide. You now begin to church again.
No, now.
Alright.
I'm a Christian.
Very good. I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Go to that fridge, that deep freezer, my container where those drinks are.
Yes.
Pick one. Just and drink.
Anything.
Anything. You can't go there and take it.
Hey.
Don't know your brother is a drink. Don't go and take alcohol.
No.
Take mineral. Okay, hey, that one is good for you. Very good. And you know what?
What?
Just sit down, cool, enjoy yourself. So that you top it with gala. Yeah, my beautiful sister. My loyal sister. Don't worry. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Yeah. One more thing.
What?
When you're done enjoying yourself, you quickly run home to go and bring 1 carton of noodles for me. Eh?
Okay then.
That's my
Well, thank you.
Enjoy yourself. Flex.
People stop there. And what if we say no to that command?
You better not try to argue with me. Yes, because I heard your last discussion.
What's this shoulder raising all about? The last time I checked, we are all mates in this palace.
Mates? You and who? Did you just say that?
Far from that, Afoma. I know why she's feeling pompous. But not to worry, I will gist you girls later.
Now you listen to me. I am not Sarah or Oye. Don't you dare command me or talk to me in such an authoritative manner. Don't you dare.
Wait. Who just spoke? You? No, Afoma, you. You just said that to me? Look what Afoma get yesterday. Well. Very soon, we shall know who is who. You said that.
This girl let's go.
Afioma na-ele onwe ya o. You don't finish. Bros, come.
No, I don't want buy water leaf. Now Ogiri I define. I don't walk around this whole market. I no see where buy.
You find
Ogiri
Hey, we dey sell Ogiri but no be today na on Ekede na we dey sell am. Hey, you fit come back on Ekede?
Queen be one time today, and I know these people I meet. They see me go another village.
You say Queen?
Yes, that's the Queen.
How much? 100 naira.
100 naira. This small thing. 100 naira. It's not 50 naira.
Atota.
I'm buying all of them.
Fine,
Give me
200. 200.
Oh yeah, come. What I'm going to give me charge now. Nothing, no gain.
250, 200. Yes.
No problem.
200 naira.
Bring the 200. With your Brazilian hair.
And because they the same market.
I know the hair.
So
Because
use
I'm not
that
getting money to buy them.
Thank you.
So as I dey talk, now the queen na one time send me and she want time today. I don't know what to do now.
Okay, see wetin I dey suggest. If to say you like her, I go make her follow you go meet the queen. If she want the ogiri today, now my mama they do ogiri where they very strong, where they smell better ogiri. Anyhow, if she want her today, I go tell my mama she go do am. I go tell am say anyhow we she want her, I go tell my mama she go carry am drink for am. If not today, if not tomorrow. I will tell my master that the queen want her, she go do am immediately.
So, that means you got to follow me now, Abi.
I don't finish my market. I go follow you go meet her.
Thank you. Move go. The queen go like her.
So you say now for palace you from come?
The palace now. You don't know me. Now me they control things for the palace.
Hey, what do you mean for palace?
What thing I be no really matter. Just come, but just now me be controller general.
She has a secret affair with Prince Dozie. And I'm also suspecting her with the king.
Would you shut up? How dare you say such a despicable thing about the prince and the king? Do you know what you're saying?
You don't believe me?
I don't!
I can defend myself anytime and any day on that of Prince Dozie. It can only cost me my job.
Hey, this is really serious. But wait, how did you know about this?
Well, that day, after cleaning the house, I was very tired, so I decided to go rest. As I was about entering our room, that was when I heard a voice coming from Nebechi's room. So I decided to go see for myself what was going on.
Oh my goodness. So this is the reason Nebechi has been feeling so superior over us. Can you imagine that girl? Hey, it's nothing one would not see you.
Prince Dozie that is not even worth bragging for.
My sister.
Who is he? As much as I am concerned, he is nothing but a bully.
Sarah, shut up. Shut up, Naina Kwali. You talk too much. The words have ears.
Do I look like I care? I don't care.
Now look.
The only thing that it will cost me is me losing my job as a maid in this palace. Nothing more.
Look, girls. We never talked about this. We did not see anything. In fact, I think this discussion is over.
Your Majesty, how are you feeling now?
Much better.
Yes. Oh, not the ogiri. You know, say we can buy ogiri. Nowhere where I don't find ogiri go. I waka and I don't see. They come every day tell me say I go the neighboring village. I say no, I no go fit go buy ogiri for my queen for another village. You know, so along the line, God can't do I can't see the factory. You know, so as you see, as soon as she be ogiri, if you just even take ogiri, like all our body now ogiri. You understand?
A young lady, who are you?
I tell her say my mama they make ogiri, but she dey only sell am on the KD. Say my mama they make very good ogiri. Ogiri wey they smell very well. Funny.
Oh really?
That type of ogiri, now tell her. But not tell her say my name na ogiri.
Your mother makes fully smelling ogiri?
Fully.
Ah, that's the best.
That type with the smell.
That's the one I like. In onubu soup on salad, it can be very tasty.
Very, very tasty.
But why do you let him call you ogiri?
I don't know. I tell him say if you dey find ogiri, say my mama dey make ogiri. So anyhow we want am, say we go make am for him. My name no ma. My name no be ogiri.
Beautiful name. So if I need ogiri now, you will tell your mother you can supply me ogiri.
Anytime when you want am, we go. So we dey supply am on Eke Market Day. Anytime when you want am, we go bring am.
Yes. That's why I just
shut up. Mama, you be fine woman.
ogiri, sorry. Make she call it.
So you go and get it for me.
I will get am for you, no get problem. If I come press am, you no go feel this penny. Na me dey tell you, I sabi do am well.
My queen, I carry the full ogiri, carry come.
Just shut up. My queen, make her dey go.
Okay.
Press am well, oh. Bye bye.
Why does he call her?
I don't know why.
The young girl is not smelling, is she?
This is a very funny man.
Her English is terrible.
Oh my chamwa, my egofin, my entityous creature.
Hi. Are they happy?
This is why you are so happy. Is it because you finished selling your small vegetable on time? See, listen. Don't worry. Very soon, I will support you, and you start distributing to different villages.
Yeah. But I know say you love me, but no be that thing where they make me happy. The thing where they make me, oh God, I thank you. Today, the queen of this village, me and her meet face to face. She dey talk to me and I talk to her. Hey, are they very happy?
How that want to happen?
Are they where they say my?
Which queen?
I dey tell you now.
Just know the queen.
Oh, I no go feel life for you now. Why you talk like this? I dey where they say my vegetable. Now one boy come, say one buy ogiri.
Which boy?
You call down, I never finish. She say one buy ogiri. I can't tell her say we dey sell ogiri, but not only for a day. We dey sell ogiri now, but only for a day. Now can't tell her say na we dey sell am but na eke we dey sell. So you can't tell me say the queen want her na. I tell her say the only thing I fit do is I go follow and go explain to the queen say make he give me small time. I go tell my mama make he prepare the ogiri. And you know ogiri ne she for immediately I tell him the thing. He can't say okay, me I follow and go palace. As I can't reach the palace, the queen fine woman. Hi, come sit down. They talk to me and they talk to her. They sweet me.
Don't find rich you now. Actually, they talk.
You won't find no.
We don't find rich you.
Not try and the woman.
No woman for this village find rich you.
Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you.
Okay.
But you see this one. I dey very happy. The woman say make I go pack ogiri come.
So never this one so?
No, I never go pack am. Na house I dey go so. Now I first say make I can't tell you before I go house. So I dey rush now. Obi, I go come back later. Make I rush go tell my mama wetin the queen talk. Yes. Mama, I dey happy. In fact, today na the best day of my life. Hey!
What happened?
Chineke oboto akede. Mama, I just dey come from Igwe Palace.
Which palace are you talking about? You mean our Igwe's palace?
Our Igwe Palace is there too. Na one is there now.
What happened?
Mama.
What happened?
They put me body more gum. I dey where they say my water leave. Then one boy come say he won't buy ogiri. I can't tell am say we know they sell ogiri, only on a kid the way they say ogiri. But when they tell me say from palace they come, I can't reason and my brain go sharp straight. No say this thing go better. Oh. Now I can ask her, who send you? He say na queen. The queen tell and say make he come back ogiri come. Now tell and say make I follow you go explain give the queen say we no get am today oh, but if she wants we go make am prepare and sharp go give am. Now we reach there mama. Mama see me. We no be anybody. I stand. The queen sit down. They talk to me one on one.
You are talking with the queen?
Now no be only that one self. The queen say make I go pack ogiri come. Yeah. Make I go pack ogiri come.
But mama, it's only on a K day that I have ogiri now.
Ah mama. Ibu. Are you not a businesswoman? Mama, you be businesswoman now. But you get ogiri at all.
Yes, I have some wraps.
Make we go carry and they go, mama. They go to begoni. Mama, pay na go.
And these are the ones remaining at home.
Mama, you plenty.
You know what you do? Take it to her. Tell her that it is from your mother, free of charge. She will not pay for this one, but the one that I will prepare next time for her, she can pay for that. Oh,
make I give her free of charge.
Yes, she's our queen, our Lolo. Tell her I give her this one. Dash. Let her take this one.
Yes, sense.
Next time she can pay.
Yes, sense. I know where you dey go. Use one.
Get something to put it.
Oh,
I'll give it to her.
Oh, mama.
And you're eating the meat. I finished everything. Nine.
It's also a surprise you more with many blessings. Many blessings. All live to go. Many blessings. Hey! Oh, you made a canyon. Narekenemo. Hey! Mama! What to go down?
Where did you get all this money from?
Ought to go down. I got to down.
And Sam, where did you get this money from?
Mama, now you give me ogiri, say make I go give the queen.
Yes.
I reach there. I carry ogiri, give her. Then I say my mama say make she take free of charge. Yes. Now the one say like, say she no agree. Say I be better pikin. Say she go do me good, at I take do am good. Now she send person make you go inside bring money. She gave me. Mama, I come out outside, count the money. The money is 10,000 naira. 10,000. Hey!
I told you, I said this my daughter will make me proud one day. 10,000 naira.
Come on, go. 10,000 naira. 10,000.
Just like that.
Just like that, Mama. As I did now, forget what I feel inside. Because as this money don't land so, make I do as we supposed to take do am. Papa, now he be the head of the family.
Bam.
Now he dey provide for this family.
Wow.
So, Papa, take the money.
Hey, for what?
What is it now?
No, what are you doing?
No,
is it your father that prepared ogiri? I prepared ogiri.
Am I not the head of the family?
Head of which family? Head of the family producing ogiri. How?
Mama, no, they talk. No, they talk like this. No, be you tell me say make I go give am free of charge. I give am free. This one na appreciating. She carry this one give me. Na me get am.
Exactly.
Exact what?
Bring it.
Okay, Papa. I know say your mama like to fight. Make we no just fight, okay? I go give you half. Give am half. Make peace for rain. Biko.
For my ogiri.
5,000 naira.
You are too greedy, this one.
Hold it.
Mama,
what is that? Bring that one, let's share it.
Mama, no, they do like this. Mama, you like problem.
My daughter.
Let me go inside.
Wait, I'm not going inside.
Obiora, Uncle, I called you here to ask you something. What is actually going on between you and Oma? All this you are flocking around with her, where is it taking you to? What is your plan with her?
Uncle, Uncle, you know I love Oma so much. I love her with all my heart. And I want her to be the mother of my children. But Uncle, you know I don't have money yet to marry her. So that's why I'm struggling to make money and marry her.
You love her so much. Yes, Uncle. And you want her to be the mother of your children. Like this. Why are you so stupid?
Uncle, how?
How? You are asking me how? Obiora, look at your shop. You will lock up your shop. Customers will come looking for you. And you will know where to be found. What is your problem? Is that love? Is that how to love a woman? Is that how you are going to raise money to marry her? Obiora, why can't you be serious? Obiora, you know what it takes me to raise money for that shop? We are still owing some people we have not paid. But look at you. You are following Oma around. You love her. Obiora. Obiora, what I'm trying to say is this. If you can be serious with that shop, save enough money. You can leave the village and go to the city. Eh? Look at you. See, you are friends, you are mates. Also, some of them have built houses everywhere. You are still sitting here, riding bicycle. And you are sitting down here, following Oma about. Stupid boy.
I'm sorry, I'll not serious.
Shoot. Okay. You need to come tell Uncle, Abi. You need to come tell Uncle. No problem. Don't come to my shop and beg me for anything again. I will not give anything. So don't even think of me giving you Vuji milk again.
Brother, you better listen to him. You better listen to him.
Look at this little scorpion carrying big cucumber. I'm blocking my way.
Sorry, sir.
Eh? Did you hear me honey you?
Sorry.
Oh, you want me to be wasting my horn on you?
I'm sorry.
No. Who are you to block my way?
I'm sorry.
And you allow me to be wasting my horn? Are you mad? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, sir.
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry.
Eh? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, sir.
This time, if you block my way and allow me to waste my horn, I will pay it. And you, look at yourself. This little scorpion carrying big cucumber.